Welcome to SJC Content. I am Dr. D. Shobha, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Karalur. In this video, I am going to discuss about the chromatic aberration. We know that chrome means color and aberration means defect. So, chromatic aberration is the defect of forming colored image with white light. It's called chromatic aberration. This chromatic aberration caused due to the variation of the refractive index. This caused due to variation of refractive index. Index of the wavelength of the light used. We know that the focal length f equal to n minus 1 of 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. r1 and r2 is the radius of curvature of the lens and n1 is the refractive index. This refractive index depend upon the wavelength of the light used. It depend upon the color. So the focal length also depend upon the color of the light used. So we will get a chromatic aberration when we using the lens. Here a white light focused on a lens. Due to the prismatic action of this lens, the white light is get dispersed into different colors, that is violet to red. Here the violet ray is more deviated compared to the red ray. So here the focal length of the violet ray is taken as FV and red for FR. The difference between these two images, image due to violet and image due to red color, is called longitudinal chromatic aberration. The distance between these two images will give the longitudinal chromatic aberration. How to reduce the chromatic aberration caused by this lens? Chromatic aberration is nothing but we will get a colored image for a white object. We have to get a white image for white object. Instead of getting white, we are getting a colored image. That colored image is called a defect, that is called chromatic aberration. How to reduce this chromatic aberration? Reduction of chromatic aberration. This chromatic aberration is reduced by using combination of lens. Using combination of lenses. We will have a two combination. Either the two lenses are in contact or separated by a distance. This combination of lens is called, to reduce the chromatic aberration, is called achromatic combination. Achromatic combination. This achromatic combination will produce a white image combination of the lenses will produce a white image for white object. That means we will reduce the chromatic aberration. Now we will see the condition. What are the condition to get a chromatic aberration should be minimized? First one, condition for minimizing chromatic aberration. For two lenses, achromatic combination of two lenses. Achromatic combination of two lenses in contact. Here we will take a biconvex lens made up of a crown glass. And another glass lens made up of flint. These two lenses, biconvex lens and biconcave lens, these two lenses are used in a combination. They are in the contact. The focal length of this first lens is f1 and the dispersive power is taken as omega 1. Similarly, focal length for second lens is f2 and the dispersive power is omega 2. Here, focal length of the crown glass is less than the focal length of the flint glass. This is the focal length is higher than this ground glass. Similarly, omega 1 less than the omega 2. Omega 1, omega 2 are the dispersive power of these two lenses. When you use this combination, that is, this combination is called the achromatic combination, we have certain condition. What is this condition? Omega 1 by f1 plus omega 2 by f2 equal to 0. This is the condition we should satisfy to reduce the chromatic aberration of two combination of the lenses. This combination, achromatic combination, used in objective of the telescope. Objective of telescope. So this is the condition to minimize the chromatic aberration. The next one is two lenses separated by a distance. Here we are using two biconvex lenses to reduce the chromatic aberration, which are separated by a small distance a. The condition for reducing the chromatic aberration, the distance between these two lenses should be a equal to f1 plus f2 by 2. Here f1 is the focal length of the first lens and f2 is the focal length of the second length. So the separation between the two lenses A must satisfy this equation, A equal to f1 plus f2 by 2. So this is the condition for reducing the chromatic aberration by achromatic combination of two lenses separated by a distance. That distance is equal to f1 plus f2 by 2. Thank you.